Time for some Tuesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin in Chanute with Aniston Pitts celebrating birthday number 8 with birthday wishes coming from your family. It says, we are so proud of you and love you bunches.
All right, and Mia Lavelle celebrating birthday number 8 as well this year. Mia is in Irma.
And Colton Hickson celebrating birthday number 12 over in Fort Scott. Happy birthday.
All right, Kason Botts is celebrating birthday number 12 as well in Bronson, Kansas.
And Paige Mustaine celebrating birthday number 17 in Altamont. Happy birthday, Paige.
Brittany Murphy turning 36 years old this year in Seneca. Happy birthday from Ryan, Roman, Ryder, Rinley, Raylan, and Mom.
And Will Bond, based on this note, I believe formerly of Frontenac, Kansas, celebrating birthday number 52, says wishing Will a long-distance birthday to California from your family.
All right. And June Miller. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Miss June.
We've also got Jack and Barbara Gunry celebrating their 65th wedding anniversary in Oswego. Very happy anniversary to you.
And we didn't forget Kathy, Miss Kathy Cook in Carterville. Hope you have a wonderful birthday.
All right, we love celebrating birthdays and anniversaries with you all every morning. Tanya, how do they continue to celebrate with us?
Well, it's not hard. All you have to do is send us your birthday to this or anniversary to this email, birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get yourself a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club today.